to us about this journey of yours, 2.5 decades as the leading lady of the Indian film industry.
I think I should leave that all my dear senior journalists and friends who've known me since I was like, I think
Not even born.
Yeah, probably that. Hanging around on Lolo's sets, asking Komalji also, what are the collections? What are the collections of this movie, that movie? So I've grown up in wanting to be on the big screen, wanting to act all my life. जैसे मैंने हमेशा कहा है कि एक्टिंग मेरी रगों में दौड़ रहा है. मैं और कुछ नहीं जानती. मैं कैमरा के सामने आना is something that I just live for. It's my passion, and I want to keep doing it till, I don't know, forever.
Forever, I'm sure.
Which is very, very special to, I think, all of us, because I think आज के दौर में language doesn't really matter. आप कौन से भाषा में फिल्म बना रहे वो इतना मायने नहीं रखता है. आप क्या बना रहे हो, that is what is important. तो आप देखिए कि हमने क्या बनाया है, दिल से बनाया है. I'd like to thank the first person actually is my dear Ekta, who actually had the belief and the guts to always stand by me, to always say that okay, fine, we're going to do this, we're going to do it together, and whatever we've done, we've always been super successful, and I'm very confident again this time that it's going to be fabulous. She truly has been the backbone. Of course, this film wouldn't have been what it is without the man himself, the captain of the ship. I think the way he's shot it, the way he's made me also kind of, be the character, made me feel, made me so comfortable. We made this film, I think, with something that we wanted to do. We loved the story idea, we loved the script. When Hansal sent it to me, I was like, we have to make this. I think we made it happen. That is what is most important, and I'm so happy that in my career graph I've had the opportunity to work with him, because I've worked with so many directors, and I'm so happy that this is in a film where I think this character is more special to me. So thank you so much, and that's it. I just hope you guys love it, and I'm sure you will. In the script,
Yes.
that's what.
The biggest, internationally, all women producers who've gone ahead and turned producers is because they wanted to make films they believe in. And then they've got billion dollar companies after that. This is your beginning.
I hope
Please
so.
with the
I'll get the next Balaji. Okay, that's mine. Promise me. Bigger and better. People love to watch a good crime thriller. जैसे मैंने कहा कि भाषा के मायने नहीं होती कि क्या है आप तमिल, तेलुगु, हिंदी, इंग्लिश किस में बात कर रहे हो. Everybody enjoys watching a good whodunit. At least for me, I have been crazy about watching detective shows. So actually for me, I've done this film because I wanted to be a detective. I wanted to solve that murder. Now what the murder is, how it's related to the character is, of course, I think this big emotional journey which I have gone through, which I want each one of you all to see. But watch it for a great fun experience of a crime thriller.
Here, edge of the seat thriller with this Kamal ki cast and of course the maverick director. How did this unfold for you? Tell us about that.
So, just because it's a credible entertainer, how is it not commercial?
Okay, I take my words
Just a
back.
basic understanding of this film. The film's full cost is covered, including P&A, and the whole theatrical worldwide in India is profit. That's how this is a commercial success from day one, which a lot of commercial pot boilers are not. Who everyone wants, the pre-sales are brilliant because of Miss Legend Superstar Kareena Kapoor.
She said it. Producer Sahiba, or should I say the producer Sahibain, जो दोनों हैं यहाँ पे. Of course, talk to us about them and this journey of the Buckingham murders.
This film, this is a story that Ekta had heard, and she said कि you have to do it. मैं कुछ और करने वाला था, and thank God, thank you Ekta for bringing me back into this absolutely amazing experience. I mean, this was perhaps one of the most joyful shooting experiences I have had in my. I have completed 30 years since I made Khana Khazana earlier this year. So for me, this has been perhaps one of the most joyous experiences of my career. Also, it's very new territory for me. So when you go to set and you challenge yourself that okay, this is not something you have done, and you make films because you thrive on those challenges. And I think that challenge really drove me. I have never made a whodunit. I've never made a murder mystery. And many people think कि इनको कॉमर्स से कुछ पढ़ी नहीं है भाई. मुझे कॉमर्स से ही पढ़ी है. मतलब if my films don't make money, if my producer is not financially viable, I have no business making films. So I think all of us want a film that one is financially viable, where the budgets first don't fail. Because I believe budgets fail, films don't. And then to make a film that is so engaging, so entertaining, and to have a star. I mean, this is again something that Ekta facilitated. Without her, I wouldn't have even met Kareena. I used to see her, I used to live in the same building. She used to go for Christmas. She would just walk past me, take the lift, and I would look at Kareena Kapoor, she just took the lift. So I got to work with, I mean, there is something about, there's a quality that stars possess, and I've experienced it firsthand. And beyond that, I have been blessed with working with some really great, wonderful actors. And when Kareena is one of the best actors we have today. An actor will always be alive. Stardom can, fluctuate, but your talent will never die. And I mean, she is an absolute powerhouse.
Wow.
Like almost like the fourth time, if I'm not wrong. And you guys have come a long way and now completely associating with a murder mystery. So tell us about that.
So, I've worked with Kareena on 4 films now. I have had this full house. Very few actors I have been able to get, She gets that. She's a star, but also a great actor. Like when we had got Crew as a script, my only condition to Riya was, this is Kareena, बाकी casting आप कर लो. बाकी हम देख लेंगे, ये मुझे Kareena चाहिए. Because I was very sure that there is a certain youthfulness and style that she brings on screen. This was probably a complete metamorphosis, the Buckingham murders. And I thought that, we have a woman with stature, with power. Stories cannot be brought out in public, in the medium that is run totally by men, totally by a different kind of commerce, unless you use your intelligence to make it commercial, at the same time supported with a great actor and a great star. And I knew that for that the actor has to agree. He has to be okay to put himself out there on a different film. And the only one I was sure was as brave and legitimate as far as stardom goes was Kareena. So we approached her. We had decided that if she says yes, this film will be made. And she came on board as an actor and a producer.
In the real life, what is that one thing you really try to figure out all the time?
Well, how the Paps always know where we are. Huh? I should be a detective to them.
Now, from playing Geet in Jab We Met to now playing Jazz, both are Sadani's character. I can easily relate because I'm also a Punjabi. So, what traits of Geet would we going to be seen in this Jazz, or आप totally change हो चुके हो?
No, I don't think so, because I think that was a completely different film. And also I think up to an actor to, do different. It doesn't matter if you're playing the same authenticity of a religion. Like if I'm a Sikhni, it doesn't mean that I'm going to be Bhatinda wali Sikhni. I should also be able to play the detective Jas Bamra and still be different. So I think that's up to an actor to kind of, showcase different parts. It's important. Like I played a prostitute in Chameli, but at the same time, in Talash, but if you put both of them together, they're completely different. So I think same like this also, that it's a completely different
You're more
character.
like Geet or more like Jazz in real life? Detective or Punjabi girl?
I don't know, let's leave that for you guys to find out, na?
अगर अभी हाल फिलहाल की फिल्मों की बात करें तो एक सावी में एक कैरेक्टर था जो सब चीज तोड़कर अपने हस्बैंड के लिए फाइट करती है और वो भी देश के बाहर। दूसरी फिल्म मैं कहना चाहूंगी जहानवी कपूर की है जो उलझ थी, जिसमें वो IAS ऑफिसर बनी है और वहां जाकर वो उलझ जाती है कुछ चीजों में। लेकिन इसमें दिखाया गया है आपने कि एक लेडी ऑफिसर है जो, या स्पाई बोल सकते हैं, वो लड़ रही है एक इसके लिए, केस के लिए। लेकिन जैसा कि आपका हमने रिकॉर्ड देखा है, बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में बनाई हैं आपने। शाहिद जैसी फिल्म बनाई है जिसके लिए नेशनल अवार्ड मिला है। ये जो मर्डर मिस्ट्री है इसमें एक बहुत सेंसिटिव इशू भी जुड़ा हुआ है, इसीलिए मैंने शाहिद का जिक्र किया। तो इन दोनों को स्क्रिप्ट के लेवल पे और डायरेक्शन में एक साथ करना कितना डिफिकल्ट था?
देखिए हर फिल्म में ना आप स्क्रिप्ट से तब जुड़ते हो जब स्क्रिप्ट में एक ऐसा एक इमोशन होता है जिससे आप जुड़ जाते हो, एक कैरेक्टर होता है जिसकी जर्नी के साथ आप जुड़ जाते हो। तो शाहिद की एक अलग जर्नी थी जिससे इमोशनली मैं जुड़ गया था, जिसकी वजह से फिल्म जैसी थी वैसी बनी। इसमें भी जस के कैरेक्टर के साथ में जुड़ गया, उसका डिटेक्टिव होना और मर्डर मिस्ट्री में शामिल होना उसके कैरेक्टर के लिए बहुत जरूरी था, उसकी कैरेक्टर की जर्नी को दिखाने के लिए। तो पहले तो मेरे लिए हमेशा होता है कि कैरेक्टर है, उसकी इमोशनल जर्नी क्या है, मुझे देखना चाहिए कि मैं इमोशनली इस फिल्म को कैसे कहाँ से कहाँ ले जाऊंगा। क्योंकि बाकी चीजें प्लॉट होती है और वो क्राफ्ट से वो मतलब उतना मैंने कुछ 25-26 सालों में थोड़ा बहुत सीख लिया, वो उतना कर लेता हूँ। लेकिन वो कैरेक्टर की जर्नी जब तक ना हो, जब तक इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व ना हो, और वो कहीं भी हो, मुंबई में हो, लंदन में हो, जरूरी ये होता है कि उसको मैं ऑथेंटिक तरीके से मतलब लंदन में रहने वाला सोचेगा कि ये फिल्म हम लोगों की है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो देखेगा उसे भी एक माँ का इमोशन यूनिवर्सल है, उस इमोशन से दुनिया जुड़ जाएगी। मैं इसको मतलब इसलिए पैन इंडिया भी नहीं, हमने हिंदी वर्जन भी बनाया फिल्म, मैं इस फिल्म को पैन इंडिया नहीं पैन वर्ल्ड फिल्म समझता हूँ, सब समझ सकते हैं।
It's a feeling. So, and Jazz is a mother, and it's also her journey apart from the investigation. So, I think me being a mother myself understands the fact that माँ के प्यार का तो कोई भाषा नहीं होता, उसकी आंखों में है उसका प्यार, उसका दर्द आंखों से दिखता है, nothing else. That's important.
And I think you can see Kareena, her eyes speak more than any dialogue in the film. मतलब उनकी आंखों में उनका 1000 कहानियां हैं और 1000 दर्द है। वो मतलब उनमें बहुत सारी बैक स्टोरीज है, आप खुद ही बनाओगे उनको। इतना मतलब खूबसूरत परफॉर्म किया है। I mean, she has so much to offer.
जैज भी एक मदर है फिल्म में, तो आपने कैसे कनेक्ट किया विद दैट कैरेक्टर, बिकॉज शी इज ऑल्सो सफरिंग फ्रॉम हर पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स व्हाइल शी इज सॉल्विंग हर मर्डर केस। वैसे ही रियल लाइफ में भी पर्सनल फ्रंट पे भी काफी सारी चीजें चल रही होती है, प्रोफेशनल फ्रंट पे और रॉकिंग एज ऑलवेज, सो हाउ डू यू डू दैट?
I think that is what connected me to the character, which I felt was that it was the emotion and her emotional arc which I wanted to portray on screen, apart from also, her being one of my favorite characters to play, which is a detective. So somehow it just had so much soul in it that I felt that this is the right time for me to feel this character and to play it. Also, it would be very different from, whether it was Crew or whether it was Jaane Jaan, which also happened this year. And I feel it is the duty of every actor to also try to keep doing something differently over and over again. And that is something which I love doing. So, as far as also your next question, which was balancing personal and professional, I don't know. I think I enjoy that hustle of, working at the same time of, being a mother and a wife. I love it. They were there at the shoot. I mean, Jay was at least at the shoot.
करीना यो, जैसे भी जैक और तैमूर का जिक्र करा गया, क्या जो आपके ऑन स्क्रीन सन हैं और तैमूर दोनों दोस्त भी हैं? Are they friends?
Not at all. That's not true. They're completely. Taimur was not even at the shoot.
Okay. What is the most challenging part? जब हम बात करते हैं हंसल मेहता साहब की, एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा बनाते हैं, और आपकी जब हम बात करते हैं, आपने शायद ही कोई सिनेमा छोड़ा होगा जो आपने नहीं किया होगा, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट हंसल सर की तरफ से। तो आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजिंग? सही
नोट कर लिए।
तो व्हाट इज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट व्हाइल वर्किंग विद हंसल सर, क्योंकि ये एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है और एक अलग तरह की तैयारी है।
I wouldn't say that एक अलग तरह का सिनेमा है. I think जैसे आज देखा जाए तो I don't think there is कि ये ऐसे सिनेमा है because it is this kind of a song and dance film, so you should put it in a box कि ये mass picture है, ये अच्छी picture है तो लोग देखेंगे. And we have I think there's nobody better than to make this film which has such amazing content at the same time as emotion than Hansal himself, because I think the way he has shot it and stuck to the authenticity of the film, which is वो लंदन में रहने वाली है, her life is in UK, so when you live there you talk to people in English only. तो जो characters वहाँ के हैं, जो हिंदी जानते हैं हम हिंदी बात कर रहे हैं, जो अंग्रेजी हैं अंग्रेजी बात कर रहे हैं. So it's a different mix, and I think he's been perfect to shoot this film and make this film with the emotion.
आप इसमें डिटेक्टिव बनी है इंडस्ट्री में, किसी की जासूसी करना चाहे तो किसकी करना चाहेंगे?
नहीं, वो मुझे किसी की जासूसी, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है किसी की जासूसी करने के।
आप लोग छोड़ते नहीं हो जासूसी की जगह।
Hi, how are you? Congrats to all of you. My question to you is taking that question a little further, because in 25 years, whether it's a Rohit Shetty or an Imtiaz Ali or him or Sujay Ghosh and so on, I mean, as an actor, at least there must be some differences when you work with all these varied directors, because of them or because of you or because of the story. So can you just elaborate on it, please?
I think every director has a different vision which they have in their mind, and I think director की जिम्मेदारी है कि वो एक atmosphere create करे फिल्म का. Film's entire milieu जो है, जो पूरा vibe है एक फिल्म का, that is the director's vision, and what he requires from the artist, I believe that he will convey it to the actor, and the actor there, either some actors like to prepare, some actors like to react instantly, try to be like that, and I think Hansal and me are quite similar in that way, and that is why we enjoyed working together, is because I find Hansal very, very instinctive as a director. He knows कि नहीं मुझे मिल गया है. I know exactly, and वो इतना ही चाहिए मुझे. I know because in his mind he's editing the film, he knows exactly, and that is something because I am also quite precise as an actress. I like to know कि क्या है, मुझे बता दो, and मैं कर लूँगी. So yeah, so I think in that sense, that's why I feel the character has come so much to life, because I think both of us have been very, very instinctive with this particular character.
You can trust your instincts, and for that you have to be very, very relaxed. I think you have to feel that like going to work every day. Then it's not work, and that is very important. तब आपके instincts जागते हैं, तब आप कर पाते हैं.
Forced to reckon with, and of course the women empowerment, with your films you've spread out that message. Kareena, now that you are also turning a producer, in light of the Hema Justice Committee report, both of you, how do you ensure there's a safe environment for women on set, and what's your take on the same?
I think I'll take this. Women and their safety is not just the industry issue, it's any woman at workplace issue. And we take this very seriously, and like I said, a lot of women have to now lead so that a lot of women can join forces. And to that, producing a film, two female producers coming together and making a film telling a crime story which is sorted by a female officer is also a step at creating some kind of safety and some kind of power. You see, we have to change the agency from men to women and equalize the agency. a lot of places we need women on the top and at least running companies. And for that, women also have to make an initiative. And like I said, the report will come, we will read more about it, but a conscious effort to keep a safe environment for women at any place at work. A big part of it will be women leading professional jobs. And I think that has to start happening. It's still a very slanted place. Thank you.
Men, this, the responsibility is on men, the onus is on men to take the initiative to ensure that this equality and safety is maintained. I think it's about time we own up and we look at this, look at safety in the eye.
Thank you.
फिल्मों से आपने थोड़ा साइड पे रखा, पर करीना खान में वो के फैक्टर आप देखते हो, ट्रिपल के है,
ट्रिपल के है, ट्रिपल सक्सेसफुल है, पर मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली आई ऑलवेज से दिस, पिक्चरें 3 चीजों के लिए एंटरटेनमेंट है of the legit credible order.
Lovely.
50 years of credibility and 50 years of actually empowering other women who are possibly voiceless and faceless, have remained voiceless and faceless for so many years. This is, I saw the questions that came your way. This is your 4th film with her. You've done an Urta Punjab, you've done a Crew, you've done a Veeredi Wedding, and both of you have done it together. Commercial, thoda arty and all of that, but all of them have done great numbers. Do you feel as women, it is unfair that after so many credible box office hits, you are still asked and questioned, saying ki, "Are ye commercial nahi hai?" Do you think you have to prove it with every film, no matter how many numbers and how much pull you have at the box office? Does it get to you at any point, both of you?
Every film of I have to say this, that every film of Kareena's with mine has some box office predictions of 4 and 5. And she opens at 10 every time. इतना प्रश्न क्यों डाल रहे हैं? तो अलग फिल्म है. ये पिक्चर में नहीं होगा. Of course, this is not that kind of film, but till now she's always done that. So it's like when you do a commercially viable, big budget Bollywood film, which is a comedy, it doesn't matter if you're a male superstar or female superstar. And when you do a film which is credible, it has a different lens altogether, and automatically that also works out commercially if the budgets are planned. So it's all, I don't think that pressure that, we should be every time performing on those numbers should be there. But yeah, to be honest, like all 3 times till today we've opened at 10.
Actor's job is to act, to do different roles. An actor's job is to select great scripts, whatever he's offered, to the best of that. An actor's job actually comes into play when he's listening to a script in his living room or in his vanity van, wherever he chooses to listen or read his or her script. That is where a film is actually born and made. And that is the job of an actor. Beyond that, I think we have experts to do their job as well. And the audience comes in to watch a film. And if the film is, like I said, anything, however, but entertaining, but fun, or thrilling, or emotional, I think they're ready for it. And there's no better time than today.
Congratulations, this looks amazing. My question to you is, you have mentioned watching, you were a fan of Mayor of Easttown and you wanted to do a detective thriller. Tell me how much that influenced your character, and was Kate Winslet on your drawing board at all?
That is it. Actually, this script came to me even like almost 1 year before Mayor of Easttown. But actors should draw inspiration from different actors. It's kind of a form of motivation, to make you do better, to make you want to do better. And that's what I want to do. So definitely Kate Winslet is, I'm a huge fan of her work. I watch her work closely, but this is my interpretation of the character.
but there's no harm in actors having and drawing inspiration, because every actor, I think, needs some sort of motivation, and if it comes from another actor, then so be it.
Absolutely.